Hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening at home. Does it really work? Professional teeth whitening procedures performed in a dentist's office are known to be effective, but quite costly to most people. Now there is a solution specifically created to deliver the same results within as little as 2 weeks, while allowing you to save valuable money. Are you worried about discoloration, stained and yellowish teeth? Do you want to remove wine, tea, and coffee stains safely? Are you looking for a solution to get whiter and brighter teeth? With the revolutionary new DiamondSmile kit, you can achieve the brightest, whitest smile of your dreams at home, and in just a few minutes a day. What is DiamondSmile kit? DiamondSmile Kit Whitening Gel contains hydrogen peroxide, an active whitening agent that whitens stains in your enamel. Upon application, hydrogen peroxide quickly releases oxygen molecules that eliminate stains in your teeth. This teeth whitening kit is intended to brighten your teeth from the comfort of your own home. Easy, hassle-free application for extra convenience. The application is a pain-free, comfortable procedure that does not cause sensitivity issues. Guaranteed maximum results extremely fast, in as little as 2 weeks. Results that last up to 3 months with minimal maintenance, regular brushing. Achieve the first visible results after only 2 applications, 10 to 15 minutes each. Remove years of tooth stains and enjoy up to 8 shade whiter teeth after only 6 applications. Benefit from a professional, advanced teeth whitening system and save valuable money. How does DiamondSmile Kit work? As simple as in 3 steps. Step 1. Fit the mouth tray to the LED light. Step 2. Apply the gel to the mouth tray. Step 3. Place in the mouth, turn on and whiten. Key features of DiamondSmile Kit. Advanced blue LED mouthpiece powered by your phone, laptop or tablet, so you're always ready to shine through stains caused by coffee, wine, food or tobacco. Needs only 15 minutes per day, while you're listening to music, watching Netflix or doing homework, with a visibly brighter smile after just 2 uses. 3 5ml syringes of concentrated hydrogen peroxide whitening gel allow for up to 20 sensitivity-free sessions from the comfort of your home. Apply light to upper and lower teeth until it turns off automatically, full results in 14 days. Visit the link below in description for the official page.